Today we'll discuss how to classify literature according to Dewey Decimal Classification. As you already know, the number for main class literature is 800, and under this number literature of different languages are classified. For example, the number for English literature is 820, Sanskrit is 891.2, and Hindi is 891.43. Literature, as you know, has different forms also, like poetry, drama, fiction. But these numbers are not enumerated in the main schedule. Instead, a asterisk mark is given against some numbers, and if you open the main class, and you will find that 891.43 has an asterisk mark before this. Under the page, the instructions are given, add as instructed under 810-890. Open the page where 810-890 instructions are given. This asterisk mark guides you to use further number from table 3. Let's open table 3. Here you will find different forms of literature are given. For example, 1 is for poetry, 2 for drama, 3 for fiction, 4 for essays, 5 for speeches, 6 for letters, 7 for humor, 8 for miscellaneous writing. All these numbers given in table 3 can be attached with any number with an asterisk mark in the literature schedule. Let's coin a number. Suppose we have a book on Hindi poetry. As you already know, the number for Hindi literature is 891.43. This number has a asterisk mark which guides you to use the table 3 for further number. As we know, the poetry is a form of literature, and this number is given in table 3. When you open the table 3, you will find that number given for poetry is 1. When you attach this number 1 with 891.43, it becomes 891.431, which is the number for Hindi poetry. Let's try another number. Here is another book on Sanskrit drama. What will be its number? The main class is Sanskrit literature. This number you will find in schedule. The number given in schedule is 891.2, and this number also has an asterisk mark which guides you again to refer to table 3 for drama. When we open the table 3, we find the number given for drama is 2. When we attach this number with 891.2, it becomes 891.22. That is the number for Sanskrit drama. Different forms of literature are further divided in table 3 according to their nature. Like poetry is divided as epic poetry, and the number is 103. Lyric and ballads has number 104. Sonnets has 1042. The number for one-act play is 2041. Tragedy has 2051. The number for short stories is 301, and the number for mystery and suspense stories are 30872. Like this, other forms are also subdivided. Let me ask you to work out one number for Marathi one-act play. I'll give you 20 seconds time for this number. Are you ready? Number for Marathi one-act play is 891.462041. Let me explain this number, how step by step we have coined this number. As you know, the main class is Marathi literature. This number we have taken from the main schedule, and there the number is 891.46. As this number is an asterisk mark, and we are guided for the further number to refer to table 3. From there we have taken the number 2, that is for the drama. Drama is further divided according to its nature, one-act play. The number for one-act play is 2041. When we add the whole number, it becomes 891.462041. Another common aspect in literature is discussion on particular period of literature. For example, the Bengali fictions of 19th century. The number for Bengali fiction of 19th century is 891.4434. Let me explain it to you how I have coined this number. 891.44 stands for Bengali literature. 891.443 is a Bengali fiction. The number 3 we have taken from table 3. 891.4434. 4 is a number for period which is given in schedule. The whole number becomes 891.4434, which is the number for Bengali fiction of the 19th century. There is an extension of table 3 under 3A. The numbers given in table 3A cannot be used unless you are directed under table 3. Let me explain the use of table 3A with a simple example. The title of the book is English Romantic Poetry. The number will be 821.008.0145. 82 is a number for English literature. 1 is English poetry. 008 is a collection of English poetry. Under 1, the directions are given for the use of table 3A. One, 4, 5 is a number for romanticism. When we take this number from table 3A and join with that number, it becomes a number of English romantic poetry, that is 821.0080145. Let's try another title. The discussion on the contribution of women novelists in Hindi fiction. The number will be 891.433.009.9287. Let me explain this number to you. 891.43 is a number for Hindi literature, and 3 stands for fiction. 891.433.009 is a critical appraisal. 009 is taken from table 3. 891.433.009.9287 is a number for the discussion on the contribution of women novelists in Hindi fiction. 9287 we have taken from table 3A under the direction of table 3. Dewey Decimal Classification being American origin, the class number for American literature is separated from English literature. American literature is 81, English literature is 82. The class number for American fiction is 813 and English fiction is 823. Now the question arises, where to classify the English literature produced by the writers of other countries? For example, New Zealand, India, Germany, etc. I'll give you an example of Indian English literature. There are 3 options. Either you can use the first 2 alphabets of the country IN with 820, which becomes the number for English literature produced by Indian writers, or there is another option under 8289935. This is given in the schedule. Or you can use 820 directly for the English literature produced by Indian writers. While classifying books, one general thing you should always keep in mind to follow directions systematically. In our next session, we'll discuss about the language and linguistic classes.